All right, welcome to your third and final inquiry lab. This lab is going to be your assessment, which will be graded unlike the two prior experiences with inquiry labs, one being the Diet Coke and Mentos lab and the other being the softball metal block of wood, the block of wood in the metal pipe. So this is going to be a true test to see if you are able to truly write a lab report using the methods in which we have been working on over the last week and a half. So to give you a start, let's start talking about the actual lab itself. The lab that you guys are going to complete is a lab that's going to deal with some very simple things that you've used at home and had some experience in working with before. And it's going to be something that I think you're going to enjoy. So let's talk about the true purpose of the lab itself. The purpose of the lab is going to complete an experiment. It's going to be one that you are going to complete with one other partner. So groups no bigger than 2. And don't even think about asking if you can have a group of 3. You either have a partner or you're doing it by yourself. And what the experiment is going to be based upon and what you're going to try to solve is the problem which we are going to provide for you. The problem is located right down here that you can see bold and italicized. The question or the problem that we're posing to you, and I apologize for the flies that are flying around like crazy, does ice melt faster in room temperature water with salt or without salt? So that's the question which we are posing for you. So you're going to be testing ice in a salt bath and ice without salt to see which one causes, well, ice to melt faster. So that's the general purpose and what you're going to be doing and working on over the next day or two. And these set of videos are going to help to explain some of the things that you're going to have readily available for you while you're completing the lab. So this concludes the introduction, and you may move forward with the next set of videos explaining the actual lab in greater detail.